Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text align and the text direction. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS text align last justify. The CSS text align property specifies how to align the last line of a text. For example, right here, we are going to be using the CSS align last property along with justify value. Back to our document. This is what we are having in our previous tutorial. I want you guys to check this CSS text align playlist for you to be able to follow along, or you can check our CSS text alignment playlist also to be able to follow along. Again, if you notice this one right here, in our previous tutorial we discussed about the CSS text align left, text align right, text align center, text align justify. When we get to the text align justify, is the one that gave us all this, and in the bottom, the one that is controlling the bottom right here is the one that we specified earlier where we discussed about the text align last, which is controlling this last text in our text. So I'm going to be controlling it again using another value. Back to our document right here, we are having our CSS text align property, and again I'm going to change this text align last to another value, which is I'm going to give it justify. When I give it justify, I save my document. Now when I reload, can you see what happens? This my last text now just having justify value like the previous value also. They are all now justified. So that's how you can justify all your documents, all your elements, all your text very well, so that everything is going to be aligned very nicely. See our align justify now. See the way they look. It's look nice now. So to previously we have discussed about the align right. Now when we use the text align last right, can you see what happens? When we use the text align right center, can you see what happens? So in the next tutorial, we are still going to talk about this much better again. Anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye bye.